Hey guys, thanks for joining us again. I'm sure you've been hearing AI a lot lately, which stands for artificial intelligence. Today we will discuss the likely impact it will have on the life insurance industry. AI is expected to have a significant impact on the life insurance industry in several ways, including
Personalized policies and product development.
AI can help life insurers better understand customers' health risks and personalize policies accordingly. By analyzing medical records, wearables, and other health data, insurers can offer tailored coverage and pricing based on a customer's individual health status and lifestyle. As far as product development, AI can help life insurers identify new product opportunities and optimize existing products by analyzing customer data and market trends. This can help insurers stay competitive and respond quickly to changing customer needs.
Underwriting, risk assessment, and health monitoring.
AI can help life insurers improve their underwriting and risk assessment processes by analyzing vast amounts of data. This can help insurers better understand customers' risk profiles and offer more accurate pricing and coverage recommendations. Also, AI can help life insurers monitor customers' health in real time and provide early intervention when necessary. For example, wearables can detect early signs of health problems, and insurers can offer personalized coaching and support to help customers manage their health proactively.
Fraud detection.
AI can help life insurers detect and prevent fraud by analyzing patterns and anomalies in customer data. By identifying suspicious behavior, insurers can prevent fraudulent claims and reduce losses.
Customer service.
AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can help life insurers provide 24/7 customer service and support, answering common questions and providing personalized recommendations. This can improve customer satisfaction and reduce the workload for human customer service representatives. Overall, AI has the potential to transform the life insurance industry by improving efficiency, reducing costs, and providing better customer experiences. However, it will also require insurers to invest in new technologies and skill sets and to navigate new ethical and regulatory challenges. Make sure to stay ahead of the curve and use AI to you and your family's advantage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment on what you'd like to see covered in the future.